What was one of your first experiences that you remember vividly getting into this industry? And what made you love it? How about that?
The fact that, as a kid, you had small toys, and as an adult now they're really just big toys, and you can still be a kid again. You can get really intimate with the equipment. I got started through engineering school. We did a couple of internships, and that just fueled the want to be very hands-on with my engineering degree, rather than be stuck in an office and doing design work and not actually seeing the end product and the real thing. So that kind of just fueled the want to get into, I guess, maintenance and reliability.
Yeah, I mean, I talk to a lot of folks and they say that idea of being able to roll up your sleeves, turn a wrench and actually see a physical thing either get fixed or create something and see something turn is like a huge one of these like big instant gratifications that you can't really get sitting behind a desk. So I absolutely resonate with that too, Tim.